Welcome this video title Transforming Your Outdoor Space with Plants Box. A garden enthusiast gas introducing create a vibrant and lush outdoor gardening. Do not have to be a daunting task with the rustic of sustainability and eco-friends practitioners mean gardening enthusiasts and term to do it yourself. Solve to cultivate their green space. One popular and versatile other is the plants box, a charm add to any outdoor area. We explored create idea to enhance your outdoor gardening using plants box provide you with inspire to turn your space into a botanical have choose the right material before diving into the world of plants box material. It's essential to select the right material for your project. Wood is a classic and popular choice due to its natural aesthetic and versatile caring and redwood and excellent other know of those durability and resistant to direct recycle pillow or reclaim wood can add a rustic charm of your gardening. Elevate plants box for smart space for those with limited outdoor space. Consider elevate plants box. Those just countries not only maximize space but also make gardening